All right, now from now until the end of the year, y'all, I'm going to be talking a lot about Thanksgiving and Christmas recipes. Michael, I don't know that I've ever made this for you. I've had the recipe. It's a wild rice and sausage casserole. And I've already cooked the wild rice. It was a 6-ounce box of Uncle Ben's wild rice. So that's already done. We don't have to do that. And we're just going to brown off our sausage. And this is wonderful with turkey or ham. And it's wonderful alongside a tenderloin, if you're doing beef. So it's just good. It'll go with a lot of things from fried chicken to fried turkey. All right, I'm going to toss my onions in. And my cream of mushroom soup. And this called for a 4.5-ounce can of mushroom pieces. But you can use as much as you want to. So that's what I'm going to do. Michael likes a lot of mushrooms. So look at that. Why don't we just do that? Oh, this smells delicious. You smell it, Eddie? Mm-hmm. Oh, yum, yum. All right, I'm going to cut that off. And I'm going to put our cream of mushroom soup in it. Albany was, they had their share of good casserole dishes. I guess everybody does, don't they? Every town. Funeral food. That's right. Funeral food. Now people just go by and pick up a roaster from the grocery store, and I don't think people bring the fresh pot of butter beans and collard greens and cornbread. I don't think people go to that kind of trouble anymore. All right, Eddie, you think we're going to be able to get this all in one pot? All right, I'm adding our rice. There was hardly any fat at all in that sausage. Almost none.
Everything's cooked, right? So
everything's cooked. Yeah, you just want to cook it till it's hot and bubbly. And I didn't kill the sausage because I knew it could finish cooking in the oven. So it could stand. There was probably a few pink pieces of sausage in there, but that will finish cooking. When we throw it in the oven. You know what I'm going to do, don't you, Eddie? Do you know what I'm going to do? What do you think I'm going to do?
Rinse that can out. Add chicken stuff.
No.
Butter.
No.
Well, I give up.
Where's the mayonnaise? I'm just going to add one little scoop of mayonnaise. Just a little scoop of mayonnaise. That'll help keep it moist. All right, how y'all like that for a little dollop? Yeah, it'll just make it a little bit creamier. Now the last instructions are to just put a pat of butter. It's kind of soft, so it doesn't want to slice. Let me see if I can do a little better than that. I don't want to put too much because I put the mayonnaise in there, and mayonnaise contains fat, So I'm not going to use all the mayonnaise. I'm just going to use that much. And I'm going to put this in the oven. Ow! Oh, it's hot. I got it. Don't worry. I got it.
How long?
Huh?
How long you cooking?
Oh, about 30 minutes.
Yes.
Just so it's bubbly. Wow. Wow. Look at that butter. Look at that butter around it. I might pat that with a paper towel just to get up some of that butter. Because we had the sausage, remember, that produced a little fat. Oh my goodness. This was so, so good. Oh, I remember it from years ago and I hadn't. I'm just going to dot around the edges and get that fat off that we really don't want or well, we don't need it. I ain't said nothing about want. Right. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my goodness. It's a big piece of sausage right there. It was on my very first bite that I picked up. Mm-hmm. Makes me want to dance. Come get you some, Teresa.
I will be over there in a few moments. I'm gonna let it cool. I can see the steam coming off of it.
It's hot. It is hot and so good. So I hope these videos help y'all. And you can trust that I'll be coming up with some more things to suggest for you. Love and best dishes to all my friends out there. Don't forget to hit subscribe, right?
Like, yes, subscribe.
My team tells me that all the time and then I forget. Thank y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.